Dear students, good evening. Not boys. Are you understanding English? I said good evening. Yes. So I thought you did not understand English. Okay. Online students, am I audible? Is my voice is clear for everybody? Okay. Okay, students. Thank you for your response. Now we'll start the most important. Today we are starting with full stack Python. Full stack Python we are going to discuss. It's a new course. And there we are going to start about, as a part of today's class, what we are going to discuss. I'm going to discuss. Let us carefully look into this part. First, I'd like to discuss about a few minutes about the faculty. Because when I was standing there outside of the class, before I am coming, so some of the one or two students asked me only, my name said to me only, asked where is that batch. So that's why I'm just saying about myself for 1 or 2 minutes. Actually, I need not to tell you. Just I want to take up that part here. Okay. So try to take care, students. So let us start about the first about faculty for a few minutes. Next, about the course, about the course modules. How many modules are present into full stack Python? And next, what are the highlights of this class? What are the highlights of this class? And next, what are the prerequisites? What are the prerequisites for learning this Python, for learning this full stack Python, and what are the prerequisites for learning full stack Python? And next, what the student should do, what student must do to get the job in industry, by learning this full stack, Python, and followed by what are the various jobs? What are the various jobs available? What are the various jobs available in industry? What are the various jobs available in industry? Now I'm going to discuss. And followed by last and every session ending, the doubts and clarifications, the students' doubts, especially clarifications of online students at the end of the class. My dear students, at the end of the class, I will give the mic facility for every student and you will be learning it. I'll be learning it. The doubt clarification of online students at the end of the class. So whether you have there, the doubts will come. What are the doubts generally we come across? Sir, I'm having some years of gap is there. Some years of gap, whether I will get the job or not. Sir, I lost my job some few years back or 6 months back. Will I get the job? What are the prerequisites? What are the things to learn as a part of this? So doubts clarification at the end of the session. To every student, I will give the mic facility to you and I will explain. My dear students, It's a special message for the online students. And followed by after finishing this first class, what are the various projects? What are the various projects we develop? We develop by using full stack Python. Full stack Python. This is what I'm going to discuss. Right. So, my dear students, Vignesh Singh. So, my dear student, Vignesh. So, you're saying now like that. Now, I also said like that. Let us start. This is my discussion in today's class. Shall we start up? Right. And I'm requesting to all my students, please keep your mobiles, offline students, keep your mobiles in silent mode. And especially this is my request to everybody. Now I'm going to start my session. Before entering into that, let me see my strength. 287 in online, 286 in online, and offline almost 120 plus. Okay. Dear students, before entering into this class, I just would like to, online students, carefully go on listening, my dear students. Go on listen what I'm explaining. At the end of the class, I'll clarify every student doubt without missing. I'll give the mic facility. Directly, I will talk to you regarding your doubts. Okay. Now, your doubts, I already know. The doubts, I don't want to say beginning of the sessions. Let me start discussing about the topics. And before entering into this session, I just want to confirm one small things. How many BTech CSC students are here? BTech CSC students. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Girls, BTech CSC. Okay. Okay. EC, how many? ECE students. Okay. Mechanical students. Okay. Triple E. Okay. Okay. Degree students. Oh, okay. No issue. MSc. MSc. Okay. MBA. Okay. Any pharmacy students? Any pharmacy? Okay. No issue. Dear students, now, no issue. Now I'm going to start with about myself. For 2 minutes, I'll tell you. Actually, I don't tell about myself. I don't tell about myself because the first time or maybe second time or third time in my entire experience, I'm saying about myself in the class. So so my name is KVR and my qualification is Masters in Engineering. And my highest qualification is PhD in the subject of design and analysis of algorithms. It's one of the royal subject in field of computer science. And this is my highest qualification. And dear students, and my experiences before this teaching of my career started, and before my office and after my office, I used to work before my teaching in a company called iGate MNC Global. It's tie up with, as on today, Capgemini. Maybe you're aware of it. And I'm having totally, this is 26 plus years of experience, 26 years of experience in the field of teaching, which includes my industry also. And my total experience and total thing, originally I'm from Java background. Originally I'm from Java background. I'm an expert in Java. And from last 10 years, as a part of our industry, we used to deal with complete Python with data science use cases. And this is my solid experience. And this is what by myself. If I go to the internet, Google, you open your mobile also. You can just type my name KVRAO is my name. Beginning, you see, it's not my system or something. You type my name, you'll get Java nodes, and immediately Python nodes also you'll get it. Python nodes also you'll get it. So if I go to Java nodes, total my nodes only will be available in the entire internet. So here I'm going to write it. You take it Python, complete my Python only will be available. So here, complete my things only available here. If I go to Java also, if I go to Java nodes also, you'll get my nodes only totally. Total Google pages are my nodes only. Even if you go for Amazon also, some of the, I just, when I was in Java field, we published, the people, publisher has published my material also. So, and don't feel that, sorry, showing about this entire thing. Now I'm going to move to the further. This is only my introduction I want to give. More than that, I don't want to say, because as a faculty, don't want to give myself more and more in the class. Well, that's finished. Now I'm entering into the about course. Now I will give first preference for what will be the course content we are going to discuss. Course module about what, full stack Python. Full stack Python I'm going to discuss here. What are the various modules which are present inside of that? So part one, that is module one, that is the backbone for full stack Python. So what is the first part of it? Number one is, Python programming. This is the most permanent in the coming 30 years. This is only the programming language which is available. The best example, if you ask me, I was purely from industry on Java, and there I have a lot of experience in that. Almost we trained so many students in my teaching career, along with my real-time scenarios. And now from the last 10 years onwards, I'm taking what also? Python also along with. Now I'm completely in Python only, because we have seen a lot of growth in the industry by using Python. I'll show you the importance about Python by opening a lot of articles. Under this Python programming, sir, what we are covering? I'm covering the course content. Number one is core Python. All the students in the online, my dear students, I'll clarify every person doubt at the end of the class, because it's the first class which I'm just introducing what my class will do, what is our job perspective, and everything I'm just keeping in front of your eyes, so that today you just try to follow me. Core Python, under that, each and every topic, real-time implementations, what is our exposure in the software industry, I'm going to keep it. Real-time applications, we are going to take about all the real-time applications in topic-wise, I'm going to explain. Sir, can you show me what are the topic-wise you prepared it? Just I want to show you, because if I don't show you, you can't understand what I'm going to explain. The real-time applications are nothing but here, the programs which you need to learn in the class on the programming side. Second part is, I'll show you that. B, advanced Python. In that, you are supposed to learn about the same. Under that, the real-time applications are programs in topic wise. Because when you go to the real time, they will ask you this system test they will conduct on coding. That part I'm going to discuss. Along with that, we are going to cover topic wise MCQs also we will cover. MCQs, already the MCQs part. If I'm conducting the test, I never conduct MCQs. MCQs means ABCD. You will select A or B or C or D. If I am conducting the test, I'll give only fill in the blank. Fill in the blank is easy enough. MCQ is easy enough. Speak out. MCQs. Because even if we don't know, we can select one choice. If your luck is good, answer may be correct. So here also topic-wise MCQs I will give you. Here also topic-wise MCQs will give you. This is the first part of it. In advanced Python also will give you. And here we are going to talk about topic-wise case studies also we will discuss. Case studies also I will discuss. This is also one more thing. Topic-wise case studies also I will discuss. The third part of it, topic-wise case studies. This is related to the programming I am talking. And the next we are going to talk about under the same thing. This is under the module 1 only. We are talking about data science for Python or Python for data science. Like this, I will write it. It's a better Python for data science. Python for data science. As a part of that, we are discussing about the NumPy module. NumPy module. There also we will talk about these kind of things. These kind of things I'm going to explain. And this is one of the topmost module in the software industry, those who are looking for data science. So next I'm going to talk about another module is available, pandas. So most important in real time. There also we'll talk about same pandas. This also we are talking about these topics. Next I'm going to talk about one more thing called Matplotlib. There we are talking about real-time applications or programs in topic-wise we'll discuss. This comes under the first module. This is the most important module to set your career in the software industry. Sir, where is the topic-wise things which you are prepared? Almost I prepared 700 question banks I prepared it from. These are all from where? Hacker Ranker. Have you heard about this, my dear students? Hacker Rank. Next is called a lead code. This applications to solve is not a joke. A lot of programming knowledge is required. 30 things I prepared it, which is part of my class. If you don't mind, I'll be showing in the class. And don't feel that sorry showing. If I don't show you, how can I make you that? How can you make you to believe that this is different from others? So see students, here I have my backup. As a part of that, I'm having something like this. There I'm having, my dear students, Python exercises, especially for my students, based on my industry experiences, what questions are coming in real time when you go to the system test, written test, and MCQs and FAQs. All those things I will prepare. Of course, I will tell you what are the highlights of my class. Look at my dear students, question bank number 1. In this question bank, I'm solving in the class of 1 to numbering you see. I'm going to give you first question bank is 100 question sets are there. 100 questions are there. 100 questions. This 100 questions for one topic, for one area. Next, one more I will show you. Question bank number 2. Question bank 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Question bank number 2. All the students must solve 101 to where we are going to have this many. Below 1, you just come to that. It is almost 200. Then you can take like that. I'm having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are all called what? 700 questions. If you are able to solve these many questions, remove that headphones. Remove first. In my class, keep that in the back. Remove that. Completely remove. Right. Here, no cell phones. All these things are completely out because I am only the one which I can teach like anything. In everywhere else you attend the Python. This is one of the unique class. I'm unique in your life of teaching. Totally unique I am. So you see that how I will shape you like a diamond I will prepare. Just remember this word. Remember my word on 13th, 4 o'clock, March, what Sir said. If I don't prepare, you can ask me. Provided 3 conditions are required that you need to follow. I'll tell you my conditions. Slowly, I'll tell you what is the significance of this. Now, coming to this part, this is called the Python programming. Under that core Python, the topic-wise applications, topic-wise MCQs, topic-wise case studies. Advanced Python, the real-time applications, topic-wise, all these things. That syllabus of this curriculum, I will show you my content. This is one thing I'm telling to everybody. Take any IIT syllabus, take any IIT syllabus. You are not IIT, you are not NIT, you are not triple IT, or you are not top 1 or 2 colleges, 1 or 2 or top 5 colleges. I don't think how many of them are there. I don't know. So not belongs to these 3, correct? IIT, NIT, triple IT. I think nobody is there. Anybody? Nobody. And such a syllabus of any curriculum of any download and keep our syllabus of my class syllabus side by side. You see 75% more than that, then only you prefer. Otherwise, don't prefer. 75% of course content is more, then you prefer. You remember my words once again. Understand? Yes. That's why utilize my services so perfectly. Be perfect. And don't feel that all this sir is also like our BTech sir or something. We are completely different. We will polish your skills. We'll make you as an ultimate student in the Python full stack. This is a module 1, my dear students. Module 2, I'm going to talk about module 2. So here, module number 2. As a part of module 2, we are discussing, as a part of module 2, we are discussing HTML. Because in order to get the job, you need to get some skill set. That skill set I am explaining. What are the things we are prepared for this full stack Python to get the job in the industry? HTML. Next is called what? CSS. Next is called JavaScript. Next is called JavaScript. Next we are going to discuss about the Bootstrap. These are very easy, not a difficult. Next is called what? Angular. We cover this part also. Angular. This is a module number 2. For which purpose this is? For UI. This is called UI technologies. UI technologies. This is called. Is it clear? This is called the Python programming. In module 1 we'll cover. See this is a major important part. And next is called UI. Next we are going to talk about module number. Next one I'm going to talk about another part of it. Module number 3. We talk about web frameworks. Web frameworks we will discuss. Web frameworks. There we discuss the part of that. Number 1, Django. This is called web application framework. Web application framework. Number 2, we'll talk about Flask. Flask is also one web application framework. Now we are going to talk about what? REST API, which is an additional facilities present into where? Django. Next, this is about another part of it for development of what? Server-side applications. We'll introduce all of them and we'll talk about the different servers as a part of web frameworks. So UI used to develop interfaces, user interfaces, like your HTML forms. When you go to any application development, there is some type of what form is coming. That form development will be done by what? UI. That form submission will be taken place in the backend. Some code will be executing. That is done with what? Django. There we will use this Python coding completely. Right? Web frameworks. Next, number 4. we are talking about a database module, databases. We are talking about a databases, that is with RDBMS, without RDBMS, we are talking about the first one is called what? MySQL. Will completely explain MySQL. Next is called what? MongoDB. MongoDB. These are the industry used databases. And as a part of my Python class also, we are talking about, my dear students, to just look into that. In my existing batches, we used to talk about Python with Oracle. Python with Oracle, you just see that number of examples in that. Python with Oracle, number of use case studies. And you may have used, sir, case studies you said. Can you show one case study? ATM application, ATM case study, how it works. I'm going to talk. You can keep it as a mini project in your places. Okay. Now look into, my dear students. This is what we are discussing completely. Here we don't discuss any just fundamental like other places. We are discussing in depth of it, where student has to do the application on their own. And especially I'm the first person which I'm interacting. I will set everything set right, and I'm fully giving you a guaranteed, provided if you follow my instructions. And there is no other way. You have to follow my instructions. That's all. If you are interested to come, and we are preparing you to get into the industry. This is next is called what? Tools. We are going to talk about some tools required to work in industry. There we are talking about Git. Git. Next we are going to talk about what? GitHub. GitHub. There we are explaining some type of testing strategies, testing techniques. Some testing techniques they will explain, which we need unit testing, some integration testing. You need some type of testing policies over there. Next we talk about, next we are talking about Google Cloud. Cloud fundamentals also we will explain. Cloud. You need to know about what? Cloud fundamentals. Cloud fundamentals we will explain. So cloud fundamentals, that includes Amazon Cloud, Azure, some sort of cloud technologies are there. People will give you the cloud fundamental parts we will explain. And we explain about resume building. We explain about your resume building. That means how to build your resume, how to prepare your resume. And we also help you in going forward mock interviews, how we supposed to appear for mock interviews. Mock interviews in the sense, don't expect how to manage the interviewer. That's no. You can manage the interviewer when you know good subject. Correct or not? Managing somebody means what? Not by going for back door. No, you go like a front door only. With a good subject you go. That is my advice. Here, this is what we are going to give you. This is what our module says. In order to get the job in full stack Python, these are the skill set required. Understand? And by seeing this, and this is the first one, is the backbone for making a successful career in where? Full stack Python. This is the modules to get the job. So these are the skills required. These are the skills required for getting the job, for getting the job in the industry. Only by learning something I want to get the job? No. If you want to prepare some dish if you want to prepare, lot of ingredients you need to mix or not. Same thing, to get the job in the industry, my dear students, you need to have this skill set. Understand? This will help you for the freshers, for the gap of having some gap is there. You might be prepared for some government service exams. 4 years you might be prepared, and fifth year, 4 years you did not get it, because there one post 100,000 members. Competition is heavy. But in software industry, if you prepare well, job is yours. If you don't prepare well, obviously you have to lose the hopes on it. And this is my things, and these are my modules I set, and this is the things. And now I will enter into the further. To get the job in the software industry, for learning this full stack Python, what are the things required? Now I am going to give you prerequisites for learning this full stack Python. What are the prerequisites? Now I will talk about, I will give you my highlights. What are the prerequisites for learning of this Python, full stack Python? Full stack Python, that too I will write to get the job, for getting the job. So now I am writing here, my dear students, and don't feel it, because I am only the faculty, which I will talk straight forward to you, and I am showing your loopholes and which I am going to correct it. Here I am going to put your CSC student, correct? Yes. So your CSC. CSC students raise their hands now. There 4 members are CSC. I remembered. Okay. Now stand up. You are keeping mobile and you are raising your hand. Sit down. Keep your mobile in the packet first. So I am asking one question. First question I am asking, and nobody should feel anything. If I don't ask questions, who will ask questions? Parents will not ask questions. Correct? So teacher only has to ask and has to prepare well for exams. And dear students, I'm asking one small question, very small question, very small question in C language. C language you studied? Yes. And I'm saying that, I'm telling directly to you, nobody knows C language, including you also. Of course, you don't feel it. Sir, we paused. Pause is different. Industry is different. Now I'm asking, 7 participants already raised a hand. I know C language. Of course, I don't want to boast about us. Now I'm asking first question. It is the open question to everybody. The first sentence you will write, hash include stdio.h, you will write it. This line is called preprocessor directive or precompiler directive, we can call. Okay, na? In this statement, what is the role of hash? What hash will do? I want the answer. What include can do? What this angular bracket can do? Sometimes I can write what? Double quotes also you can write. Hash include this part. You can also write in this way also you can do it. In this way also you can do it. What is the role of hash? First question. What is the use of include? Second question. And why we write, in which cases we will write this angular bracket, in which cases we will write a double quotes, I need to know. Do you know? You don't know. You did not remember. No, nobody will explain for you. No faculty will explain. First of all, you did not remember C language or what? That is your answer. Huh? You did not remember C language. Okay, very good. Now keep the mobile in the packet only. Okay, don't remove that. Oh, sit down. Now, C language. You know C language? Okay, you are fearing a lot. Who knows C language in the class? Girls. Who knows C language in the class? Okay, no issue. No issue. This is a question you search anywhere, but I will show in the class in one free time of mine what hash will do, how it is related to include, how it will related to the double quotes and angular bracket. I'll crystal clear. Anybody speak anything in the class, you don't learn any theory. You please ask them to show practically in the system. Otherwise, don't believe them. Don't join also. If I speak something, you ask me, sir, write a code and show me, then I will believe you. Am I clear? First, you apply that technique on me only. If I say something, don't listen. Don't accept. You say to me, sir, show me on the screen. Write the program, sir. Then you show me. Then only will believe you, sir. Dear students, in real time when you are entering, if you say theory again and again, nobody is ready to listen your tons of theory. They are ready to see how effectively you can build your code, how effectively you solve your problems, how beautifully you can manage your tasks in real time. That type of creative knowledge is required. That type of logical building skills are required in real time. Such a type of skills we will provide in the class. So this includes, do you know C language? No. BTech CSC student, you are the CSC student. You studied Java also. You studied Java also. I want to ask one more question. Stand up. Here you are writing system dot out dot println. This is buttified by everybody. Buttified by everybody. Now I am asking, what is a system? What is a system? Answer my question. What is out? Answer my question. What is println? Answer my question. What is the relation between them? Answer my question. Nobody. Even though somebody says system is a class, system is a class, somebody say system is a class. Disha is saying, what is out? Come on. No problem, students. Disha, answer ma. What is out? They will say object. They will say object. I know. Somebody will say, out is what? Object. Object. Object of which class? Disha, answer it. Object of which class? Object of which class? They will say, Disha will say, object of. They will say, now I'm expect. Yes, that is the wrong answer. Disha said, I expected. Wrong answer. Like that, faculty will say, let me show you the practically how it is blunder. Because Disha is a student. She only answered. Disha is a boy or girl, I don't know. So I want to show you Disha feeling that out is an object of system. Then how can you know that it is a wrong? If I say wrong, Disha may feel my sir said something like that. He is saying something. I am the one which I want to show everything practically. Then only I can do everything. Let me go to this. My dear students, please follow me. This a single piece is enough to make you to understand that something went wrong if you don't learn practically. Java P, Java dot lang dot system. Disha, Seema. See, set path is equal to why I am saying all these things? Because the practical knowledge is different and your industry is different. Program files, Java, I have JDK 17 under bin. I just want to carry this. Say here. You see, my dear students, out is an object of what? Print stream. System is a class as accepted. Out is an object of what? Print stream. Disha, you see ma. Disha, see this. Out is an object of print stream. But everybody will think this is a documentation of Java. I opened it. But everybody feel that what? Everybody feel that out is an object of what? System. But see that. Is it wrong or not? Correct. Tell me, students. Wrong or right? Wrong. Then student is under the impression that out is an object of system. Since I am showing on the screen, you are realizing that you are wrong. Suppose if I don't show practically, then what student will think? You will think that I am wrong. Because student will think that they are correct. Now one more beautiful question. Now this is clear. Let us go to Python environment now. Now I'm asking one beautiful question. Last question. Are you good in mathematics? Are you good in mathematics? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Up to 8th class? Up to 10th class? Are you good? Come on, guys. Good? Good? Raise your hand once. I want to see one student. I want to see. One student. Okay. Sign 90. Sign 90. Come on. Come on, everybody. Sign 90. One. That's the blunder. You will get immediately. What is this? Already we learned sign 91. When Sir said that it is a blunder, now I'm showing the scientific proof for it. Let us. 0 point. Very good. 0.89. 0.89. How that 0.89 is coming? How that 0.89 is coming? You see, Python environment, Java environment, you go, math dot what, sin 90, I am saying. So it will not come. One will not come. Then to whom you will go and ask? Will you ask your 10th class teacher? Will you ask your mathematics teacher, intermediate first year teacher? To whom you will ask then? Realize. That's why. How this 0.8939 etc. coming? There is some sign series is there. Some n number of terms if we calculate, radians, degrees, conversions are there. I'll tell in the class. Because what is the use of trigonometry in real time? I'm explaining as a part of my Python programming. Because we are teaching this Python programming in real time, how it is suited. Finally, I tested your knowledge. I tested your knowledge in your place, and C language. What is the knowledge of C language? Come on, answer me quickly. What is your capacity in your subject? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, 9. This is your capacity in subject. What is your in subject? 9 means extraordinary student. 5 means average student. Below 5 means below average. Above 5 means average. Above average. What is your grade? 0 to 9. What is your grade? Huh? 0. Really? Really? Okay. No issue. My dear students, when you said 0, really, I'm feeling pretty kind of you. Don't feel. You are saying 0 today, 13th. Give me 10 days time. See how I will create the programming skills in your mind. Remember, Wednesday, give me 10 days time. I'll just give you, I will ask you the same word. After every week, I will ask this word. Beginning 13th, what you said. For every 10 days, I will ask you. I want to listen from you only how you will say this. I'm not going to mold you. My subject will make you to say that you are not 0. Now, I'm going to that. So here, coming to this now, I'm going to say here, prerequisites for learning this full stack Python is no need to know what? C language. No need to know what? C++. No need to know about right, mom. So reverse Ravani. Right. No issue. Don't worry. I'm the one which I'll make you. I said already now. I make you wonderful in my class because and you don't feel that I'm boosting. In my class, minimum strength of every class is minimum 600 people will be there with me. 600 people minimum. Minimum 600. Original classroom I'll show you. And don't feel that Sari is boasting about himself because what is my class if I don't about myself? Because some new students also there. If I don't tell about myself, this is my official mail ID. In that, I'm going to post the notes for you. I'm going to post the notes for you daily. The notes will come to your mail ID directly. And within a day, I'm going to give you the mail ID for you. So here I'm going to say, this is my official classroom, Google Classroom. There I'm going to say, see that 7 a.m. batch, for example, 7 a.m. batch, you take it. This is an official link, 7 a.m. batch. Operators are going on. Number of people who are present in my class, people, just you see, 248. This is 3 links are there for 7 a.m. batch. 3 links. Offline, online. 3 links are there. In one of the link, 248 students are there. In second link, you see, the number of people who are present with me called 248 students. Each link will contain 248 link students only allowed. Next link is called what again? Third link is this. Third link this is. People are here. Almost what here? You see that 73 students are there. 248 plus 73. That is the minimum strength. You take 11 o'clock, you take it. 11 o'clock students you take. Like that 9 o'clock students you see. 6 o'clock students you see. 6 o'clock evening batch, other mail ID will be there. So why I'm showing this? Just not to say about my entire classroom strength. I'm just taking about only for the sake of what? How many students will be there? That Python means they are available in my class only, not in everywhere else. Python means it's a branding for our class. So To learn this Python, the first thing is what? No need to know C, C++, Java, and then C Sharp, .NET, etc. No need to know about any such type of things. No need to know about any such type of things. That means even if you are dummy, even if you are dummy, even if you are dummy, no problem, no problem. Then you must know what? You must know English. You must know English. You must know English. Are you following? This you have to know. Sir, explaining in Telugu possible? 100% not possible. Explaining in Hindi possible? Not possible. If I start doing that, never ending story. So you must know this. No need. Here, I'm writing one simple word. Simple. These things I'll show you every weekly. Once I will open this document and I'll show you. Next is called what? I will make master. I will make you master. I'll make you master in coding. Master in coding of master in coding of the subject KVR teach. KVR teach. Provided. Now I am writing three conditions. Option A. Student must be punctual in attending classes. This is because the first day, if I don't tell, it's not correct. I want to tell you what this class will do. Number one. Number two, student must be punctual in attending classes, whether offline or online students. This is a mandatory. Next, number two is student must read the notes, must read and write the notes. Write the notes. I'll tell you how to write the notes after 1 or 2 days. Must write the notes. What teacher, what KVR sent, whatever I am sending daily to you, you have to write the notes and you have to. Next one is called what? Student must practice. Student must practice. This is the one. Practice the programs. Must practice the programs. This is mandatory for everybody. These three things, student only has to do it. Faculty cannot do that. On behalf of you, can I do it? You only has to do it so that you will be number one. And one more thing is, to get the job in the industry, to get the job in the industry, one more I am writing, you must be a graduate. You must be a graduate. Maybe you can be a BTech of any branch. Maybe you can be a BSc. Maybe you can be a BCom. Maybe you can be a BCom, or maybe you can be a BBA. Maybe you can be a master's MBA. Maybe you can be an MSc, MCA, MSc, or maybe any kind of stream, any graduate required. And no need to have any programming knowledge. And KVR is here to make you to learn these type of things. And what will be speciality of my classes? I just want to enter into the part. Is it clear? So my concept course content is same. I will start my content first with this. I'll start with this Python programming. This part, core Python, advanced Python, Python for data science. These modules are most important modules. Once you know this Python very well, other things are dead easy. And to learn this Python, no need to know anything. If you are just a dummy, and no problem, I'll make you expert, provided I'll make you just master. I just want to write in capital, I will write it. So I'm writing here master or expert coder in coding, provided you must know this. Daily I will be asking some questions here and there, because that questions are coming in FAQs, MCQs and everything. The moment I come on the dash, starts with the coding only. 0 to 9 digits. But JEE mains, if you go to IIT, problems will come in what level? Digits only there, with a different logics are there. Such a type of coding I will explain in the class. And you have seen my problems, that itself. And don't think that the classes which people are saying is different. The classes which I am going to say is different. I want to show you one simple thing. I'm going to enter into the hacker ranker. I am the 5-star graded dashboard member of Hacker Ranker. Hacker Ranker login. Hacker Ranker login. Now I'm going to say sign up. Hacker Ranker login, sign up. So login, I'm going to say, I'm saying my name, KVR1 Python dot that. Now I'm entering my password here. I'm entering my password. It is entering into my account. There I'm going to take it. Here you just observe it. I'm a 5-star graded things. I used to solve here. Here, lot of subjects are there. Python here. Python here. You see that these are all called solved. These are only I put it into my number of things. If you go to this, take one small thing here. Take this, see left side things you see. That's the problem. They want to give you, write a Python program for addition of 2 numbers. Like your C language, they won't ask. That is 1947, our grandfathers learned C language. That is called C language. What is that? They will ask this question. Left side task, right side you need to write the code. Will you really understand that? Left side? Never you will understand. This is a code you see. That basically by seeing that itself, people will be getting what? Tension, first of all. Mississippi. In that, how many M's are there? How many S are there? How many I's are there? What are the different combinations to arrange them? These are the high level coding I am explaining in the class. Understand? And my classes are going to be dealt with this type of problem solving I am explaining. Remember these kind of things. 700 problems you remember. Understand this? And I am saying once again, regardless of your gap, freshers, and having even 10 years, 12 years, and etc. gap is there. No problem. You learn these complete modules which I said. All these things you can learn very well and you'll get the job. By having gap is there, sir, will I get the job? That type of negative thinking if you do, suppose if I ask, why are you getting the gap means what you will do? Will you go to 2020 to roll out your gap? Not possible, no? Gap is happened. Then how can you passivate that? By improving your skill set. Correct or not? By improving your skill set only, you will get the job. Otherwise, without skill set improving, how can you get the job? Am I correct or not? So that skill set we are providing by studying the industry, we are going to give you this. And here, if you want to learn only Python, you can join only for first module. That opportunity also will be there. Only for first module also we can give you. The course will provide only for first module also they will give you. And now I am entering, sir, why should I learn Python? Why should I learn Python? But in the industry, Java is there, C#.NET is there, so many are there. Then why should I learn Python? Now I'm going to show you one scientific explanation now. Let me go to the what is the popularity of Python nowadays. Now I'm showing why Python is required. Now, TIOBE index. TIOBE index. It is one of the popular software quality company. They will conduct the survey on every month. On what? What is the popularity of the programming language? They used to give the ranking. Look at the TIOBE index. Open it in a new tab. See, my dear students, here I'm going to say TIOBE index on March 2024. You can go for CEO of this company has said something here. February has been very quiet month for this. This is only the interesting notes that Python is now 4.5 ahead of the rest. Coming to the ranking system. Python, you see number 1 ranking. Python is standing in number 1 ranking. There's a ranking here. And go to C, your favorite C language, which you learned in the colleges. Don't think that I know C language, I'll go to Microsoft and all. When you go to Microsoft, first question is that only. They will say like that. I'm not entering into subject. First question, hash include only, you are out. And next, C++ is coming up. That is called what? 3rd and 4th. Last year it was 4th, now it is 3rd. In BTech CSC, C++ is also there. C++ is also there. Correct? C++ is also there. Are we knowing C++? C don't know, C++ don't know, Java don't know, but we pass. All memos are there. All memos are there. If you show to MNC company, will they say, okay, come and join in the company? They will give you, okay, you are MBA student. How can I prove that you are talented? Sir, give me any test. I will do. I will give one hacker ranking problem. I'll solve it. What else? No MCA required. No BTech CSE, MBA. Doing the problem solving. I need only quality of the employee. I don't want qualification. Qualification is not a criteria. You need your skill set. Correct or not? Come to that. Java. And I'm the originally from Java background. Going down. If you show this website to the Java learners now, they will fight with you. Don't fight with them. Show this. This is not created by me. They will go and fight with the CEO. Let them. So see that it is last year it is third. Now it is going to fourth. In the coming 30 years, Python is only the language because all AI tools coming. AI tools, data science is increasing. All renowned foreign universities, most of the universities are off going for what? Data science tools. Python only will be the next 30 years. This is only the language available. Such a beautiful language you have to learn with what? The beautiful application development is required. In my class, what I'm doing, such a ranked number one language you need to learn. What are the things to learn in the class? That I'm going to explain in the class. Try to understand me carefully. I'm going to give you a small promo for you. My class will give you a small presentation. I just want to give you a small presentation. So here I'm going to say, what are the highlights of my class? Number one, once you are learning some programming language, you have to learn deep programming skills. What is meant by deep programming skills? When one task is given, that task analysis capacity required, understanding capacity is required, interpretation skills required. That interpretation skills will come only through the trainer who is crystal clear, explain the logic behind that. Two types of people will be there in teaching career. One is learning and coming and explaining. That is one. We should not join there. Like your mathematics. Sir will see the mathematics proof you know already. He will write the steps only. You should not join there. You have the mathematics teacher has to explain the creative thought to solve the problem. Concept behind the problem they have to explain. So that such problems are coming in competitive, I can able to solve it. Correct or not? As long as Sir is explaining, you will feel, I'm a bodybuilder in maths. When competitive programming, if you go mathematics question is giving, you cannot answer it. Why? You learned mathematics. You did not learn the thought of solving mathematics. Learning is not good. Understanding the thought behind that, that is an important. Such a type of insights of your thoughts will be explained in the class. Deep programming skills are explaining. For example, of course, don't feel that I'm going to say x plus y is equal to x plus y. X plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus 6y is equal to some 13. Find the value of xy. Write a Python program to solve that equation. First of all, what is that equation called? Mathematics you have seen in 8th class, 7th class, etc. Do you really solve that already in school days or not? Can you solve now? If I give a pen and paper, you will solve. But will you write a code? Impossible. Can you write in C language? You cannot, because Sir will not explain. Sir will explain only few things. I will come to that. I'll change you within 3 days. Within 3 days, I'll take in my control. Making you to no internal marks, full subject, only with subject, minute to minute, hour to hour. You just monitor your growth. 4 o'clock, 21 minutes, you take your selfie. 5 o'clock, 40 minutes, you take your selfie, see the glow in your face. How glow? Subject is injecting in your brain, automatically happies. No subject, worries. You know, full of money in the packet, happy. No money, empty packet, worries. Full subject, full glow. Correct? Yes. Minute to minute, hour to hour, you just observe. First day hype, next day going on down. No. I'll show one graph also. Daily, today, tomorrow, next day, next day, next day. You see in the class, very grow only you say. Last class, you will say, sir, what next you will say? You observe this, then only you join in my class. Otherwise, no. Because your money is important, your parent dreams are important. But I can give you one thing. This is only the class. Because you are new to me, I am new to you. No internal marks. Wherever people teach good, you join there. Attend all the places. Attend my class also. Decide by yourself. Take the opinion of the people and then decide. Okay? Attend the classes. No. Here, next up. How do you solve this? How do you write a program for that? I am explaining in the classes. Linear algebra calculations. Linear algebra calculations you need to know. Sir, where you will explain, sir? Where you will explain? Can you show it, sir? Now I am showing you. You come to the point back. Here I am going to say, in my NumPy classes, there is a notes. Linear algebra concept is there. Here somewhere else, NumPy, linear algebra, somewhere else. There is a concept called what? Linear algebra. Somewhere else here. Linear algebra concept is available. Are you seeing this? Linear algebra calculations, you see, students. Linear algebra calculations, equations calculations, all the things. So many things I am explaining here. This is called what? Example. There it is going to be example part is there. When I come back to this place, here examples. Under that, linear algebra PDF I am going to give you, which I am explaining in the class. So I am explaining in the class. Here I am going to say. So here I'm going to say, let it be. So I'm going to say, here you see, this is called a PDF. I'm explaining that equations, this type of equations. Are you observing that? This I'm explaining in the classes. See this now, equations you see, x plus y plus z also, z related variables also I'm explaining. What I'm explaining, you search in other institutes also. Why I'm showing? Because you need to know what is the specialty of this class. You compare this Python with every IIT, NIT, triple IT kind of content also you observe. Then decide, keep beside and decide. Because your dreams are important, that we want to fulfill it. This is our intention of entering into this. Let us move to the further. Now, next I will go to further things. Now I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take, this is a PPT, is supposed to. Next is what? Real-time problem solving skills. What is the real-time problem solving skills when I'm going to ATM application? How that is working? How the transactions will be made? That is supposed to discuss in the class. Next is what? Problem analyzing skills, irrespective of your coding. Somebody asked me, generate an automatic account number. Generate an automatic account number. I want to send an SMS. I want to send an SMS. I want to send an SMS to your cell, to your mobile. How do you send an SMS to your mobile? Write a Python code to send an SMS. Will you write a code in any other languages? Impossible. But I'll write a code in Python, I am saying. You are getting OTPs. You are getting OTPs. What is the use of OTPs? For full forms. Now, security purpose, these OTPs are required. Security purpose, these OTPs are required. Now, that type of problems, how to generate OTPs in my class? We'll solve that kind of things. We are giving certification. Once you are BTech pass, they are giving certificate, right? Is there any value? Any value? But still we go to college. Still we pay every year fees. 1 lakh. Getting 1 lakh points. And if you don't mind, I'll ask one question to my BTech student. And he is feeling very much tension. Sir is keeping today me only. Stand up. Don't feel, students. It is a question for everybody. Now I'm asking a question. Don't feel. You have to say, I'm your well-wisher because I'm asking. What is OS? Come on, everybody. Okay. What is www? What is CPU? Right. Nobody will give job for you. Sit down. Nobody will give job. Waste. Waste. Yes. This is, you know only full forms. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. Yes. What do you know? You ask a fifth class student, second class student who is going to school, computer subject is there. Block diagram of computer, ALU, CPU. What is ALU? You ask that kid also ALU. And if that kid and ask, you'll say, that kid, brother, you're 22 years old, I am 6 years old, both of them same, huh? You tell what ALU will do internally. You tell what is OS will do. I'm explaining in my class. See, what is this OS? I'm explaining in the class, my dear students. And don't feel that sorry showing everything in the class. Yes, because I am teaching to you OS. See, what you are doing with OS. Look at OS concepts. I'm telling you. I'm creating, here you see, I'm creating this part. How to create a folder? You are taking right click, new folder you are creating or not? Can you write a program for creating a folder by yourself? No, but you are interacting, right click, new. You are deleting a folder, click on that and show more options and delete. Renaming a folder, removing a file, these are all called what? OS based operations or not? How to write a piece of code for that in Python? I'm explaining, I shown you now, I'm explaining that. How to do that? So, and you don't feel it. If you say full forms, nobody will give jobs. And don't join in that classes who says full forms, including me also. I don't like this full forms because in the industry, what I observed it, if we say full form, they'll feel that waste. They will say next only after two questions, will say we'll call you later. And you will come out and you will feel that today I answered everything. You will say OS I answered, WWW I answered, CPU also answered. Today you will get the job, making charging ready. When the call will come and attend, they will tear off your resume and put it in dustbin. You need practical knowledge. Because of full forms, nobody will give jobs. Okay. What is DVMS? The moment when you open your mouth, you will say full form only. You don't know anything else. Don't tell full forms. This is my advice when you go to interview. You need to tell what? Real-time standards of that particular topic. If you ask me what is OS, I never tell about full form. I will tell what OS will do internally. I will tell that parts. Then you are called as number one candidate. What is OTP? You said that full form. That's what I am covering that. Don't tell full. What is how to write a code for generating OTP? 4-digit OTP you want, 5-digit OTP you want, 6-digit OTP you want. You are going for Gmail for security purpose. G hyphen some code will come or not. Verification code. How to send verification code in Gmail, like how to write the program. That type of coding you need to learn. Certification training we are going to provide. And as a part of my class, they won't give you 2 marks questions, 3 marks questions, etc. They will give you what? They will give a piece of code. 3 lines of code they will give you. 3 lines of code, 4 lines of code. They will ask you what is an output of this code. This type of questions will come in interview. To understand this code, you require analyzing skills, deep learning skills, deep understanding the coding. Then only you can qualify the certification level. And such a certification guidelines also we will give you in the class. Next, along with that, we will prepare you for interviews, what questions will come. That is easy. Once you know subject well, you can do any sort of question you can answer or not. Once you prepare IIT, you can write triple IT exam, you can write NIT exam, you can write IP exam, anything you can write. Once you know subject well, you can do everything. Once you have good hairstyle, you can comb up, left, right, anything you can comb. If no hair on the head, ring road, bypass road only. Correct or not? Subject is called what? Like a maintaining good hairstyle. Only physical hairstyle, no, that is not a subject. Fashion is required. Understand, my dear students? Interview skills. Okay, your relative is there in interview. He said, okay, qualified, qualified. Okay, you will feel happy. Next day, you'll fear to go to the office. Why? They will assign the task for you. They will assign the task. In System written test managed, written test also managed, interview also managed, and you are entering into the company. You got a job, feeling happy, but inner fear is there. That brother or sister cannot come and help in the projects. In project level, how to survive? Surviving in the company after getting the job. You require the real-time policies of surviving in the company. That is surviving in company after getting the job. These three things are required. Number one, system test how to qualify, MCQs how to qualify, interview skills how to qualify. After doing everything, after getting job, how to survive. All these things will be explained in the class. All these things through subject only. Everything is through subject. Next is what? And we are going to cover this type of thing I said. And what are the various jobs the students of mine got it? Who can learn this course? Freshers who have never programmed before. I said already, no need to know any language. This is the number one. Programmers switching language to Python. Next, programmers who and professionals who want to polish their skills. So a lot of people are nowadays migrating to Python. A lot of other technology people are migrating to Python. Professionals are coming to Python. Executives from non-IT sector, MBS who are working as a financial advisors, they want to shift their career into what? Software industry. Python is the best. Next, anyone who passionate their career in Python domain. Programming developers who want to become trainer or faculty. Of course, you don't become trainer or faculty. It is my advice because you will say only full form to the students. They will suffer. Okay. I'll tell you further also why you don't become. And that, of course, I'm joking. I'll tell you because your first day you are seeing me and a lot of things I'm speaking to you. And coming 1 or 2 days, give me the time. I will take everything in my hand control because I'll enter into the programming. Once if I explain ultimate programming, which you have never seen and ever seen in the further also, you will definitely will respect the faculty, correct or not? Yes, that I will win heart of yours daily, hourly, minutes to minute. Daily you see the progress in your career. See my observation of explanation in my teaching every day, not one day hyping, next day going down. No, today just I'm going in a 0 level only. 1, 2, 3, 9 levels are there in my teaching career. That 9 levels you observe it. I said now, best example, 421 selfie, 545 selfie. Both of you only observe. Show to your parents where is the much glow is there. Immediately after the class, you take it. Don't take after 10 minutes or something. Observe it once. Next, what will be the jobs what my students got it? Software engineer, a Python developer, and these are the new jobs what my students got it. Research analyst using Python, data analyst using Python, data analyst. These are old jobs only. Software engineer. And these are the jobs, software developer, old job, senior software engineer, Python senior developer. Next, recent 2023-2024, ethical hacker penetration tester, data journalist, cloud architect, cloud security specialist, QA engineer, machine learning engineer, AI researcher, robotics engineer, business intelligence engineer, IoT developer. These are the recent models in the software industry. Software engineer is a very old terminology. That is our time. Your time is this. Understand? For all these things, what is required? Python is the coding required. And here, and this is our journey. Now you are in Amirpet. Now you are in KVR class, ready to learn Python, either boy or girl. And here, this is a journey of yours. For every weekly once, I will show you this diagram. Am I fulfilling this? Right? Every weekly once, I will show you. Every day, every weekly once I'll show you because self-evaluation is important. Every batch, I will show this. And I will take you here. I will take you here. This is called MNC. If you read well, the three conditions, you will enter into that. If you don't read that, 3 points if you don't read, this is a water. This is a Bay of Bengal, you know. You did not understand. You understand? This is MNC one side and this is another side. Of course, this is never need not to worry about it. I hope that every student of mine will do this. This is the explanation today what I give. So I hope that I'm clear about my explanation in today. Are you okay? This is my today's things what I said. My explanation, I hope today, what is my course content? What is my modules in my full stack? And my explanation, I hope it is clear. Is my English is understandable? Are you able to get it? Don't say like that, yes or no. Try to speak. Are you able to grasp me? Right. So don't feel zero that I asked 0 to 9, what is your talent like that? And you don't feel, my dear student, don't feel. Because if I don't ask questions to whom I ask, and definitely after going to home, you will think about your career. The moment when you touch your phone, you will immediately, sir, ask these questions. Even close your eyes, you will remember me only. Because parents will not ask questions. Teacher only has to make you good. Definitely in my class. And this is only I'm a senior most faculty member, and I'm teaching you this complete Python like anything, which I'll make you very wonderful in my class, provided 3 conditions you have to do. If you don't do the 3 conditions, what can I do, students? I'll explain ultimate programming for you. The moment I come to the dais, I'll teach wonderful programming. The moment I touch my system, I'll show the programming completely. And tomorrow class, I'm entering into what I will go for. I shown you these jobs. What are the skills required? Tomorrow I'm going to enter into the subject of Python. First module I will introduce. What are the real-time applications developed using Python? When I started learning Python, with Python, which applications are available? The world-class companies, the world-class software companies uses what type of projects? Projects developed using Python, I'm going to explain in tomorrow class. Okay, now? Today, just orientation between you and me, understanding to each other. What is your talent? What is my interaction with you? I just used to ask. And if I ask any questions to boys, don't misunderstand me. Because if I don't ask, tomorrow interviewer will ask. Na? So rather than failing there, here only we will adjust it, understand, and will correct by ourselves. Correct or not? And girls, immediately I don't ask you questions. Because some 33% reservation is there up to 10 days, 15 days. After that, I'll ask questions to girls also. Right? So that's why, students. Now, boys, direct question I will ask. Directly gun on your shoulder. Compulsory I will ask the questions. And don't fear when I'm asking the question. Because if you fear, interview people compulsory will ask the questions. Rather than fearing there, here only, we'll eliminate our fear and get the subject. I'll correct it and I will make you to learn the answer also in the class. And I will treat you like a residential school student. Because if I keep much pressure on you by giving lot of assignments, problem solving in the class, you will get #1 coding, irrespective of your background. Okay, na? So I'll stop my class, and online students, I'll talk to you regarding your subject. So some student asked, Akash, Gaikwad asked a question, duration of that he asked. So today time is not there, 5:40. Tomorrow I'll tell you the duration of my course. BTech you completed 4 years, correct? 4 into how many days? 365 years, 365 days you completed. 4 into 365, how many days? 4 into 3, 1200 days. Some 60 you take it. 4 into 60, 240 days. 1200 days plus 240 days. So almost we got so many number of days or not? Getting job, huh? Come on. NIT, you are not NIT, no placements. IIT, no placements. Triple IT, no placements. So jobs are after 4 years, job is not there. Then 4 years you completed. Are you asking engineering college people what is the duration of engineering? Can you complete engineering in 3 months? Come on. No. But here, I'll tell you my class duration. Since I am explaining so many things for you, I won't take that many years. I will tell you tomorrow, because we are not asking anything immediately go and pay the fees. No. First understand me, feel much better tomorrow. Understand every day you attend it. Bring your friends, tell to your friends, and tomorrow I'm starting. Let us understand the practical exposure. Tomorrow I'll introduce the programming scenario now. I will go for explaining tomorrow the programming, small segments I will introduce. Understand the things. Okay, students? Shall we stop the class? Duration in tomorrow class, I will explain to you. So duration, keep something aside. First, you concentrate on how to upskill your subject. Correct or not, ma? So tomorrow class, will you go for this? So students, I'll ask my timings. Shruti, Seema, I said my timings now. 4 to 6 is our class timing. First few days, I will take 1 hour, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, depends. After 5 to 6 days is over, I'll go for 1 hour, 40 minutes, I will take. 1 hour, 40 minutes minimum. First 10 minutes offline students doubt, last 10 minutes online students doubt. Online students doubts daily I will talk to them. One to one I will talk. Beginning you have lot of doubts. When you enter into the programming, no doubts will come. That crystal clear explanation I will give you. Okay, na? So I'll stop my class and I'll talk to the students who are there in that online. We will talk to you students. Thank you. All the best, students. So take it, carry on. Tomorrow class, we'll meet in the 4 o'clock. I'll start the session and we'll go for after a few days. The few days in the sense after 4, 5, 6 days, solid, I will take 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, students. Thank you. All the best. Online students who are there in the online, any doubts are there, please hold on. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you. You please hold on. Within 1 minute, I will talk to you. My dear students who are in the online, just for 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Anil Kumar. Please put your doubt.
సార్ అలా ఏం లేదు ఇప్పుడు వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ గా అంటే జస్ట్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ బీపీఓ సార్.
Okay.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఐ కెన్ షిఫ్ట్ దిస్ వన్ సార్ ఐటీ ఫీల్డ్ కి రావచ్చా?
రావచ్చు మా, నో ఇష్యూ. నో ఇష్యూ.
అంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏం లేదు కదా అట్లా.
No issue. This because a lot of people are shifting their career into Python. You can
నాట్
happily,
ఇష్యూస్ అంటే
not an issue.
ఇప్పుడు గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది అవన్నీ ఏమి అడగరా సార్ అలా?
మీకు తెలుసు కదా, once you are having good skill set and as you already having that awareness, once you have
Okay, sir.
good skill set, automatically we can switch our career.
వన్ మోర్ సార్, యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ గుడ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ఆల్సో సార్ వాళ్ళ పైథాన్ అంటే.
That we have to improve now. Communication is important. Now, what you know, you need to express. So you need to have communication power.
So you should have a good subject knowledge is the main thing, no sir?
Obviously, subject knowledge is a primary. Main is that, and the secondary is good communication is also required.
ఓకే ఓకే అంటే పాస్ అవుట్ ఇయర్స్ అదేం అంటే అది కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తారా సార్ అలా?
That is not an important, and you need to have good subject, upskill your things. That is what is my
రైట్
advice.
సార్, దట్స్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
Next, Sai Priya. Next, another student, Sai Priya. Sai Priya. Next, Harika. Harika.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, are you gonna teach entire all modules or?
See, ma, if I am only teaching this entire modules, it takes a lot of time now. We give you senior faculty members for this other courses also, so that they will discuss. After 10-15 days, we start UI.
Okay.
So parallelly, you will be attending it.
Okay, got it. Sir, if I want to move to data science side, so module 1 is enough to get a job or?
Module 1 is enough. Module 1 is enough. After these 3 modules, we have to train on AI.
Okay.
After this data science, first module is over. You have to go to the AI models, AI, artificial intelligence.
Okay, got it, sir.
We can get a very good career.
Okay, sir. So currently I'm working as an executive in non-IT sector. So is it a good option to move to this software?
Good decision. A lot of people are doing nowadays that only.
Okay, sir. So module 1 is
Enough.
required, or else can I opt for all the modules, sir?
Better to learn database also, ma. That is also one important.
Okay. Okay,
This
sir.
is important. Okay, no?
Yeah. Okay, got it, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma. And next is another student, Nisha. Another student, Nisha. Nisha Gupta. Nisha. I unmuted him. No? You please accept that unmute option and so that you can speak to me. Nisha. Okay. Shruti. Only girls are asking doubt.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma. Shruti, tell me, ma. Fast, put your doubt fast.
Yes, sir. Actually, I attend college, sir. I'm BTech first year, and
Okay.
my college ends by 4:05, and I have to return home by 4:15. So, can you please like start the classes by 4:15 or somewhere around that time?
Yes, ma. Actually, strictly speaking, I'll start the class at 4:10 after 4-5 days.
Okay.
After 4-5 days, 4:10, I will start the session. But now, even after this now, the class will start up to 6 days, 4:21 it will start.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma?
Actually, like 4:15 అయితే బాగుంటుంది కదా సార్. అంటే నాకు కాలేజ్ నుంచి ఇంటికి రావడానికి కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది. సో,
కరెక్ట్ మా. మీ గురించి నేను అందరిని ఆపలేను కదా. Just 5 minutes, only 5 minutes late. That is not a problem. 5 minutes, I will recapitulate the previous class concept. Okay.
okay, sir. Sure.
So that is not a problem for you. You can easily catch me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Right, ma.
Have a good.
Next, another student. Another student will go for it. Pooja. Pooja. Only girls are asking. Boys, why they are not asking? Of course.
Hi,
Pooja.
good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma.
Sir, I am basically, I'm from a commerce background
No
and
problem.
I am a non-IT person.
No problem, ma. No problem. You can easily said, na. I said na already. Some questions I asked to computer science students. They did not answer anything. So nothing to feel anything. You will easily learn it. Follow my guidelines strictly. I'll explain from zero level coding. You will follow like anything. No issue about it. You'll follow like anything. Okay, now?
Okay. And sir, I have a gap of 7 years. So,
learn everything. Learn all these modules. Learn all these modules. Upskill your things. You put more efforts on this entire modules. So you can
yes,
see positive, very good results. Okay.
yes. Sure. And sir, this is an online class. I am in Kerala. So, this online session, online course, is it, this will be like can I like fully depend on this? Because few years back I started with Python course, physical class. So and I even but I couldn't complete because of some
Okay. So
I have some
complete it. Once you start your course and complete from starting to ending. So now you set right the things and then start learning. Okay, now?
yeah. So by doing this one this online session, online course will be like I can master myself in Python and I can get a job, like you said.
100% you can get it, provided all these models you do according to your gap of years. I'm saying, do everything thoroughly, you will get perfection. Okay, now?
Okay, sure, sir. And sir, the fees and all, we have to call the office people, or
Don't worry about fees, ma. Don't worry about fees. First, you attend the 3, 4, 5 classes you attend. Then you think of it. First, let us understand how well we teach. Then you think about fees. We are not worrying about fees now itself. You understand 4, 5 days you attend. Understand my classes. Compare with everything. And you attended previously somebody's class Python. You attend my class also. Have a comparison. Then you thought of it. Okay, now?
Okay, yes.
So attend 4, 5 classes you attend. Then you think of it. Okay, fees is secondary. First, get a quality of education. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Sure.
Right. Okay.
Thank you.
And next, one more student, Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar. So Vijay Kumar is not able to get me.
Yeah, hi KVRAO.
Yeah, Vijay Kumar, please tell
Am I
me.
audible?
Yeah, audible, please.
No, am I audible?
Yeah, audible. Vijay Kumar, please tell me.
Yeah. Do we have morning timings as well?
No, your voice is breaking in middle, Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar, your voice is breaking. You set right your things. I will call you back.
Okay.
No. Yeah. Now I got it. This is only the time which we started. This is our
Okay,
slot
okay.
is free. Slot is free. In this time only this is started. If any other slot is there, you contact that means they will tell you. Next, Farhana Khan. Farhana Khan. Farhana. So she did not catch me. So next, Om Prakash. Om Prakash. Om Prakash.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Om
Sir.
Prakash, please.
Sir, I am from Odisha.
Yeah.
Actually, I have completed my BTech in 2019,
Okay.
and still now I'm in the notice period, and I'm working as a project engineer in electrical department in Odisha.
Okay.
For my financial reasons, I decided to switch to the software industry.
Okay.
And one of your student who was my friend,
Okay.
he suggested me to take the Python classes from KVRAO, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
No problem.
Sir, actually, sir, I'm a little bit confused that in which pathway I will go in the Python class. I mean, what are the opportunity?
Now I will
Actually,
tell.
I'm confused.
No
I couldn't
problem.
explain you.
There are two things are there. One is you learn complete full stack Python. This all the modules you see. You will
Sir.
get one career. First
Sir.
one. Second
Sir.
one is module one you learn it. After that you go for AI. That is data science level. Data science and AI. This is the
Sir.
second level. Another route. So job one is full stack Python. After
Sir.
that, module one you learn it and go to this data science and AI. This is a second career. Second career is a little more package wise, economical wise, you will be getting more benefited when you get the job.
Okay, sir.
So you will be getting very good job opportunities are there in AI field now. So you can take any one of the route, you can take it. Okay, Om Prakash?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, actually, my job is up to 6 o'clock, 6 or 7. There is no time duration. So can I get the recording classes, and when can I get it?
Yeah, you can get it. You talk to admin. I will give you the other details regarding the recordings and all those things. Tomorrow class, I will talk to you. Okay, now?
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. And the next one more student is here. Swaraj.
Good evening,
Swaraj.
sir.
Good evening, Swaraj, please.
Sir, I have a doubt that will you cover all module 2, module 3, module 4, and module 5, sir?
This is, see, Swaraj, if I myself want to complete all the modules one by one, it takes long time. What I am doing is I am completing the first module, which is a very important module for the full stack Python. First one, only the bigger length one, I am taking that. And other things we will give you for a senior faculty members so that they can take you. I am only monitoring the full course, entire thing. I'm going to take care about everything and nothing problem about this full stack Python modules. Okay, Swaraj.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes. Next, another student, Sayada. My dear students, you please hold on. I will talk to one by one. One by one, I will talk. One by one. Sayada.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Good evening.
Sir, I don't have doubt regarding the subject, but my parents have set my marriage in the month of May, so I have 45 to 50 days left for it, and I don't want to waste my time until then. For that, I have joined this course, but for the month of May, I will take a leave for the whole month. So, will it affect the course, or what do you suggest? Like, should I take the course after the month of May, or should I continue from now?
Okay, Ma, this is now. You continue up to May so that half of the course will be over. After that, you take a break of 1 month. Next, you continue that wherever you stopped it, you can continue from that place. So you can take a break here. You can continue the course where you stopped it.
Is it possible like that?
Possible.
So I will be getting your classes only for the continuation?
Yes, my classes only will be there.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you so much.
Right. Next student is Mahadevan. Mahadevan.
Hi, sir. Good
Mahadevan,
evening.
please. Good evening.
Sir, actually, I'm working in carrier company, carrier air conditioning.
Okay.
I'm working in automation work background in project and controls engineer.
Okay.
So I'm planning to learn Python and embedded for IoT purpose, IoT development and embedded for board development.
Exactly.
So can I learn full Python and I can implement that embedded systems, total full embedded controllers?
Actually, IoT, I will tell you. After learning Python, IoT developer, because the same case like you in morning also one student have. And he is working in IoT application development as Andres. I think same career what you have, the same career what my student already had. And he is working comfortable in IoT applications by learning this Python.
Okay.
So no issue. You can learn Python. Better you can learn this full stack Python, so that you can get much more things.
Okay. Any study materials we can get, sir?
Yeah, we will give you everyday notes. We will give you everyday notes. Tomorrow I will show you the link for how to get the notes. Okay, now?
Yeah, sure. Okay, sir.
Right. Students other students who are raising the hand, because I have 6 o'clock class is there now. 5:59 is the class timing. And tomorrow I clarify the other doubts. So you're having some course related doubts, and don't mind students, those who are having the doubt, don't mind for that. Tomorrow I'll clarify your doubts. The students who raised a hand, I'm requesting to don't feel students. Tomorrow I will clarify the other students' doubts. So can we clarify our doubts tomorrow, students? So now 6 o'clock I have another class. Now 5:59 is now. Tomorrow I will clarify your doubts. My dear students, don't feel. Tomorrow class I'll clarify. Okay, now tomorrow I will take more time to you and will take you now. So don't feel, students. Tomorrow I'll clarify your doubts. Any of the doubts are there, I'll clarify. Thank you, students. All the best. We'll log in tomorrow with the same link and we'll start the session then with the same timing. All the best, students. Good day.